Hey, what's up guys, Sagnas here, and I'm doing a review on the Leatherman Skeletool. Okay, first to start, right here, hooks onto your pants, and it's a bottle opener, as you can see, lanyard hole. Right here, it gets a replaceable bit. Hard to get that. I hate getting this thing back in. Alright, and then right here, well, let's start out with specs. The total length of the blade is 2.27 inches. It's a big blade. Closed is 4. The blade type is 420 HC. The weight is 5 ounces. Not that heavy actually. And it is 100% stainless steel. So you don't have to worry about this rusting. Alright, here's the blade. Very, very sharp. Alright, here's all the specs are. Alright, as you can see, the first one. Alright, yeah, I'm making a video. Sorry guys, this is my friend Ryan. Say hi, Ryan.
Hi.
He's my friend Ryan. You can check him out on YouTube. His name's Dearboy011. I'm making a video. Alright. Next, we got its pliers. As you can see, here's the drill bits that are replaceable. Push down right here. They come out. A removable pocket clip. I actually don't think this should be on here. This bottle opener / keychain holder. Because it's just, well, I like it because it makes the drill bit so it's not popping out when it's closed. It's in there. So I guess it has a purpose. But as you see, I think that's a lanyard hole, but the lanyard hole, the drill bit goes into it. So that's just kind of my thing. All around, wicked good knife. The MIP, I'm not sure what that stands for, is 70, but I picked this up for 60. Let's see that blade again. Nice. I like the curve in this. It's kind of a drop point. Half serrated. Ooh. Alright guys. Thanks for watching. This was my review on the Leatherman Skeletool. Rate, comment, subscribe. Sagknives out.